Steampunk fashion blends Victorian aesthetics with industrial technology. It's a world where gears, gadgets, and elegance collide. A clockwork raven delivers a cryptic message to a distinguished inventor. This sets off a chain of events leading to a hidden workshop. Goggles are more than just eyewear, they're a statement, protecting eyes from soot and steam. They are often paired with elaborate headwear. Corsets, often embellished with gears and chains, redefine the silhouette. This symbolizes female empowerment in a mechanized world. Pocket watches aren't just timekeepers, they're status symbols with intricate mechanisms. Intricate detailing showcases craftsmanship. Ray guns, often purely aesthetic, embody the fusion of fantasy and technology. They are a symbol of adventure and imagination. Mechanical animals, from clockwork canaries to robotic pets, add whimsy. These are examples of the technological marvels of the era. Airships soar through skies filled with gears and steam, connecting cities. They represent progress and a spirit of exploration. Automaton servants perform daily tasks with precision and grace. They embody the advancements in engineering of this era. Underground cities powered by steam reveal the ingenuity and grit of society. This is a glimpse into the underbelly of the steampunk world. A hidden laboratory reveals secret experiments and forbidden knowledge. This is where science and ethics blur. Clockwork automatons come to life, challenging the definition of humanity. This tests the boundaries between man and machine. A duel with customized weaponry showcases the ingenuity and danger of steampunk combat. This is a test of skill and innovation. A train robbery on a steam-powered locomotive highlights the lawlessness of the era. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. A grand exposition showcases the latest steampunk inventions and fashions. This is a celebration of innovation and creativity. A journey to a forgotten island reveals a hidden steampunk civilization. This is a discovery of a lost world. A daring escape from a collapsing clock tower tests courage and ingenuity. This is a race against time. A prophecy foretells the rise of a new machine age, blending tradition with innovation. The future of steampunk is unveiled. Steampunk fashion continues to evolve, inspiring creativity and individual expression. The legacy endures,